Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see about the CNC machine. What is a CNC machine? What are the components of a CNC machine and how the control system is used in the CNC machine and the applications of CNC machine. So before knowing that, why do we need this automation? So earlier, to do the machining process, to do the manufacturing using this machining process, all the machines are manually operated, which requires more time to produce components, a large number of components. But if you are taking more time to do a operation, the we cannot complete the order in on time. So in order to reduce the human time and also to increase the production rate, the industry came into a revolution called automation. So automation means, here also it is not like the human, there will be no human intervention. Here also the human intervention will be there, but in a very less way. Only to feed the program into the system and also to execute it, to switch on the system. So only these are the works that can be done with the human in the automation. So the automation is the creation of technology and its application in order to control and monitor the production and delivery of various goods and services. It performs tasks that were previously performed by humans. So the CNC, that is called as numerical control, or also called as computer numerical control, which is called as commonly called as CNC, is an automated control of machining tools like drills, boring tools, lathe, etc., and 3D printers by means of a computer. So all these machines, before you are in a non conventional way, it is operated by humans, but in the non conventional way, that is in an automated way, there is no or less intervention of human, which this computer, it plays a major role in operating all these machines. A CNC machine, it processes a piece of material, either it may be a metal, plastic, wood, ceramic, or a composite, to meet specifications by following a coded programmed instructions and without a manual operator. Evolving from the numerical control machining process, which is utilized by punched tape cards, CNC machining is the manufacturing process which utilizes the computerized control to manipulate and operate machine and cutting tools to shape stock material. That is, example, it may be a metal, plastic, wood, composite, foam, etc., into custom parts and designs. While the CNC machining offers various capabilities and operations, like the fundamental principles of the process remains largely same throughout all of them. So the basic CNC machine, it consists of the following stages. Simply we cannot feed the program or do the operation. So initially we need to design the CAD model, converting the CAD model into a CNC file, the preparing the CNC machine, and executing machining operations. So all these things are done with the help of a computer. So if we take about the basic components of a CNC machine, it consists of a computer, a controller unit, and a machine tool. So CNC machining is a manufacturing process that is suitable for wide variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, construction, and agriculture, and is able to produce large range of structures such as automobile frames, surgical equipment, aeroplane engines, and hand and garden tools. The process encompasses several different computer controlled machining operations, including mechanical, chemical, electrical, and thermal process, which remove the necessary material from the workpiece to produce a custom designed part or a product. While chemical, electrical, and thermal machining process are covered in a later section, here are some of the examples of most common mechanical machining operations, which includes drilling, milling, and turning operation. So this is usually a normal CNC lathe. Here you can see a display where the program is fed into the lathe. So here this is the layout of a CNC. It consists of an input device. So the input device is nothing but the computer. So through some software, the program is fed into the through the computer. It is fed into the control unit. So this is the control unit, which it sends the instructions to the machine tool. And here is a feedback system. So the purpose of the feedback system is to check whether the operation is going in the right way. If there is any error, it notifies the operator, and he stops the process in between, and the program is remodified to, and then the program continues. So there are these are the main parts of the CNC, that is the input device, machine control unit, and a machine tool, along with the driving system and the feedback system. So how does the CNC machine it works? CNC machine, the program is inserted into the machine control unit of the CNC. In the control unit, the data process, it takes place. Simply it cannot accept the way the program is fed, so it is converted into the way like the CNC machine can understand. So the drive system, it works on the motion commands that are sent by the control unit. The drive system, the feedback system records the position on the velocity measurement of the machine tool and sends a feedback signal to the control unit. The feedback signals are compared, and the accuracy of the process is checked, and if there is any error, the process is stopped and it is repeated. So a display unit is to see all the commands, programs, and other important data. It acts as an eye of the machine, because during the process we cannot open the machine and see what's going on. So the display unit, it helps us and see what's going on inside the CNC machine. So the control unit, it is of two types. One is open loop control and a closed loop control. So open loop control, there will be no feedback system. So we just give the program to the machine, it executes some output. We don't know whether the obtained output is same as that of what we have given, but some process will take place. But in case of a closed loop system, there will be a feedback unit. So the feedback unit, it compares the input and the output. So if the output is not same as that of what the input is given, it sends the signals to the error detector, and which in turn the process is again repeated. So the process is repeated until the error is rectified and the output is same as that of the input. So there are some of the advantages in using the CNC machine. They give high accuracy and precision than any other manual machine. It can be run 24 hours a day. The part produced by the CNC has a high accuracy. There is no variation in the parts manufactured. So if you are manufacturing 1000 components of a same shape, all will be of a there will be everything, it resembles the same. There will be no variation in that, and a highly skilled operator is required to operate it. A semi-skilled operator also can operate accurately and more precisely. Operators can easily make changes and improvements and reduce the delay time. It has the capability to produce complex designs with high accuracy in minimum possible time. The modern design software, it allows the designer to stimulate the manufacturer of his or her idea, and this removes the need for making a prototype or a model, and saves time and money. And fewer workers are required to operate CNC and save labor cost. Disadvantages, if we take about more automation, there will be more disadvantage also. So the machine cost will be high. We need a skilled labor. Skilled labor means he has to be paid heavily, and the maintenance cost is high. Usage of costly tools. So if there is any damage in the tool, it has to be replaced. So all these things are some of the disadvantages of the CNC machine. And the application, so almost every manufacturing industry, it uses CNC machines. With an increase in the competitive environment and demand, the demand for CNC usage has increased to a greater extent. The machine tool that comes with the CNC are lathe, milling, shaper, welding, etc. The industries that are using CNC machines are the automotive industry, metal removing industries, industries of fabricating metals, electrical discharge machining industries, wood industries, etc. So this is about the what is the CNC, what are the types of CNC, what are the major components, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of a CNC machine. Thank you.